Today we're gonna learn Korean consonants. First character is 이응. 이응. It sounds like NG sound. 응, 응, 응. Today's lesson takes some of your time thanks to this consonant. As you can tell, 이응 is kind of different from other consonants because it's pronounced as 받침 only. Korean words consist of combinations of one or more syllables. Then how to make syllables? There are 4 rules to do so. Number 1, one vowel like a, u, u. Number 2, a vowel plus consonant like an, un, Number 3, consonant plus vowel like 가, 너, 도. Number 4, consonant plus vowel plus consonant like 감, 눈, 밥. Hey, you said 이응 is pronounced only as last consonant, 받침. But look at rule number 1 and 2. Yeah, that's right. That is the point. Even though we don't pronounce 이응 sound in first vowels for syllables, we do write 이응 in those situations. If we don't, to us, words seem odd, out of balance. I really hate being obsessed with rules and grammars, because they are too easily breakable. Languages are very practical and keep evolving practically. That means these and those rules already changed, has been changing, or will change, specifically in casual conversation and speech. But sometimes we need to learn them anyway. However, I'm going to focus on practical and casual speech and conversation. Okay, let's move on. Second one is 지읒. 지읒. It sounds like G or J sound. 츠, 츠, 츠. Listen carefully and read out loud. 자, 주, 자주, 자주. Often, frequently. 자, 다, 자다, 자다. To sleep. 지, 갑, 지갑, 지갑. Wallet, purse. 장, 갑, 장갑, 장갑. Gloves. Third one is 치읓. 치읓. It sounds like CH or TS sound. T, t, t. I'm pretty sure 치읓 does sound like 지읒 for some of you. And if you start to learn consonant clusters or double consonants, 쌍자음 or 겹글자 in Korean, you can hardly tell them apart. For Koreans, those sounds and shapes are so obviously different. So you have to become familiar with those sounds, or you might misunderstand or be misunderstood. There's no cheating. There's no easy way. But I'll make another video for them. So, listen carefully and read out loud. 차, 차, 차. Car or tea. 처음, 처음, 처음. First, for the first time. 춥다, 춥다, 춥다. Cold. 치약, 치약, 치약. Fourth one is 키읔. 키읔. It sounds like K or C sound. 크, 크, 크. So listen carefully and read out loud. 코, 코, 코. Nose. 키위, kiwi, kiwi, kiwi fruit. cookie, 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 cookie. 카드, 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 card, credit, or cash card. Fifth one is teeth, teeth. It sounds like T sound. T, t, t. Listen carefully and read out loud. T, 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 T. T, 리, T, 리. Tree, tree. 토요일, 토요일, 토요일. Saturday. 투표, 투표, 투표. Vote. Sixth one is peep, peep. It sounds like P sound. P, P, P. Listen carefully and read out loud. 프랑스, 프랑스, 프랑스. France. 피곤하다, 피곤하다, 피곤하다. To feel tired. 표, 표, 표. Ticket. Vote. 파티, 파티, 파티. Party. Finally, last one is heat. Heat. It sounds like H sound. H, H, H. Listen carefully and read out loud. Him, him, him. Flaw, crack. 하다, 하다, 하다. To do. 후회, 후회, 후회. Regret. 호랑이, 호랑이, 호랑이. Tiger. Okay, let's wrap up today's lesson. Today we learned 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읒, 피읒, 히읗, and how to make syllables. Before you go, let's learn some basic phrases. 싫어요, 싫어요, 싫어요. No, I don't like it. Kind of rude way to say no thanks. 괜찮아요, 괜찮아요, 괜찮아요. It's okay. I'm fine. You're welcome. Polite way to say no thanks. 정말 죄송합니다. 괜찮으세요? I'm so sorry. Are you okay? 네, 괜찮아요. Yes, I'm okay. 좋아요, 좋아요, 좋아요. Sure, I like it. Sounds good. 그래요, 그래요, 그래요. Yes, of course. 그래요? Is that so? Really? 점심 같이 먹을래요? How about having lunch together? 좋아요. 한식당 어때요? Sounds good. Korean restaurant? 그래요. Of course. 배고파요, 배고파요, 배고파요. I'm hungry. 너무 추워요, 너무 추워요, 너무 추워요. It's so cold. 겨울은 너무 추워요. It's is so cold in the winter. 맞아요. 감기 조심하세요. You're right. Be careful not to catch a cold. Next video will be vowels. See you soon.